10.3 Integration by completing the square. Here is something you may or may not remember from algebra. Let's say we have a quadratic like this. X squared minus 10x plus 17 equals 0. One way we can solve this is by completing the square. We do negative 10 divided by 2 gives us negative 5. Negative 5 squared is positive 25. So I want x squared minus 10x plus 25 plus 17 minus 25. If I add 25 here, I have to subtract 25 to make this equal 0. And this part is going to be x minus 5 squared. Minus 8 equals 0. And then you can solve from there. That becomes x minus 5 squared equals 8. Then you take the square root of both sides. Okay? But this process, adding 25, subtracting 25, so we get this term, is called completing the square. Okay? This can help us integrate as well. Something else to review, you should know that the integral of 1 plus x squared is equal to arctan of x plus c, of course. We'll be using that fact later. Okay, so here's an example. We want to integrate 1 over x squared minus 8x plus 25 dx. Okay. Negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. So I'm going to have x squared minus 8x. I'm going to add 16 and then subtract 16. Okay? So we can simplify this. So this is going to be x squared minus 8x plus 16. That's going to be x minus 4 squared. 25 minus 16 is 9. Okay. But 9 is also 3 squared, so I'm going to write, in terms of 9, I'm going to write 3 squared. Okay. This is also equal. I'm going to factor out a 1 over 3 squared. So that becomes 1 over 3 squared times the integral of 1 over x minus 4 squared over 3 squared plus 1. Okay. Dx. The reason I do that is so that it looks more like our integral for arctan. We want something that looks like 1 over 1 plus x squared. Okay. And that's really just equal to 1 over 9 times the integral of dx over 1 plus, I just switched the order, plus x minus 4 over 3 square. Okay. And now we use u substitution. If we let u equals x minus 4 over 3, then du is equal to 1 over 3 dx. So du, 3 times du is equal to dx. That's why our integral is going to be equal to 3 over 9 times the integral of dx, 1 plus u squared du. Sorry, not dx, it's going to be du at this point. So 3 over 9 times the integral of 1 plus u squared du. 1 over 1 plus u squared du. That's 1 over 3 times arctan of u plus c. U, we know, is just x minus 4 over 3. So that's our answer. 1/3 times the arctan of x minus 4 over 3 plus c. if you have any questions about completing the square, I will also show you, I'll link in Google Classroom to the video on Khan Academy on reviewing completing the square.